The newly released iOS 18 by Apple comes with some features. And in this video, we are going to talk about these features and how you are going to use them. Number one is customizable home screen, which allows you to change some icons and change the icon size and the color as well. Let's get our iPhone for you to see how it works. To customize the home screen of iOS 18, long press on an empty space on the home screen. Then tap on the edit icon at the top. Then select customize. Now you can see here you can change the size of the icons to large. So for you to do that, tap on large. You can see the icon sizes have increased and you can change color. All right, for you to change color, lights is chosen by default. You can select dark and you can select automatic or you can select tinted. All right, so when you select tinted, you can increase the weight, okay, or you can reduce it. No matter how you want to do it, you can change the color. Okay, as I'm dragging this, the color is being changed. So make a choice, okay, on your own, which after that you tap out and it is effected. Okay, that is how you can customize the home screen. You can also do something further by long pressing on the empty space and then tap on the minus sign on any app you want to remove, or you can drag any app to any new position just like as I've done. Okay, just press and hold on the app and then you get to drag it to any new position you want, which after that you tap on done. Another feature is that now you can increase the brightness of the flashlight and you can also reduce it. Let's go for you to see how it is done. To increase or reduce flashlights, okay, swipe down from the top right to access the control. Once you're on the control, you can see the flashlight here. Long press on it. Okay, you can take it to the first step, take it to the second, take it to the third, take it to the fourth. Okay, the higher the steps, the higher the brightness of the flashlight. Okay, iOS 18 comes with updated calculator app. It's no longer that app that allows you to do the basic calculations. Let's go and see. To access calculator, I have to swipe this way until I get to the utilities grouping. Okay, then I'll tap on calculator. By default, it is on basic. Okay, so I can do some basic calculations like 5 times 5 equals to give me 25. But if you want advanced level, maybe scientific calculation, what you need to do is to tap on the calculator icon at the bottom left. Okay, then this gives you some options: scientific, math notes, and convert. Okay, let's say we want to go with scientific. I'll tap on scientific and this has bring us to scientific calculator mode, so you can do some scientific calculations from here. iOS 18 comes with new power button in the control area. To access the power button from control, swipe down from the top right. Okay, you are on the control here, so you can see the power button at the top right. Long press on it. With an iPhone running iOS 18, you can customize the control area. You can add some icons and you can remove some. Okay, let's go and see that. Swipe down from the top right. Then long press on an empty space on the control. Then this allows you to add a new control. So you can tap on add control and then select any application you want to have in the control section and it will be added. So let me select alarm in this case. So I will tap on it and once it is added, you can tap out at the top, which is anywhere that's empty at the top and everything is saved. So here I have alarm added here. Okay. You cannot lock the apps you have on your iPhone. So only you can have access to that app. To lock an app, long press on the application you want to lock and select the option require face ID. Okay, tap on require face ID again and then place your face and the app is locked. Anytime you want to access the app, you need to place your face for it to be unlocked. Another new feature on iOS 18 is your ability to pause videos. Before now, you can only record and stop, but the new iOS 18 comes with pause button. Tap on the camera app on your phone and then select video if that is not selected already. Okay, then here the video is selected, so I can tap the record icon. Then if I want to pause, I will tap on the pause icon and the video is paused, and that is a new feature. iOS 18 comes with a new apps settings, unlike the previous OS versions. To access the new app settings, tap on the settings app. On this page, scroll down and you can see apps as one of the settings option. So when you tap on the apps settings, you will see a lot of apps that are available on your phone at this point in time. That is a beautiful feature from iPhone. And lastly, the Photos app is now redesigned. It has some beautiful features. Let's go and see that. Okay, let's access the Photos app. So I will tap on it. The first set of images, or will I say videos and images you see, are the recently as saved runs. Okay, those ones you recently added in the iPhone. Then then below you can see recent days, which shows you some photos and videos you added few days ago. They group them. Okay, you can see here, if I tap on this portraits 2023 to 2024, you will see that it shows some portrait pictures I took and it plays music at the background, and it's a beautiful feature. I believe you find this content helpful. If you like a video like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people that want to learn tech. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if there are some other features I did not talk about in this video, or there's something you want to say more. Just drop that in the comment section. To learn more on some good things about the new updated iOS 18, consider watching this video. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.